Before we leave the subject of the equality operator, I just want to show you one other thing. I've gone back to this display whether equal method, and I'll change the parameter types to object. Now this method is not offering any type safety, it accepts literally anything as a parameter. And if we run the code again, now it's coming out showing that nothing is equal to anything else, apart from the final equality check where we compare the first Apple instance with itself. And the reason for this is that the equality operator is now doing reference equality, not value equality. Recall I showed you earlier in the course that because equals equals is not virtual, calling it on a variable typed as object will always do reference equality. There's nothing you can do in your equality operator overload to prevent that, because this code won't ever hit your operator overload. So the conclusion from all this is that by having the equality operator overload call into a virtual method, you can make it play reasonably well with inheritance. But you do still need to at least type the variables to your base class if you want your operator overload to be invoked in the first place. That's not usually too much of an issue though, because it's quite unlikely that you'd be typing variables as object anyway.